Hello guys, good to see you again. Welcome to Just Tech. Yesterday, the internet around the world suddenly slowed down. Many websites stopped working, and thousands of people were confused. The reason is Cloudflare. Today, I will explain in simple words what is Cloudflare, what happened to Cloudflare yesterday, and how did it affect the global networking system. Let's discuss about what is Cloudflare in simple language. Cloudflare is like a security guard plus speed booster for websites. Many big websites use Cloudflare like ChatGPT, Canva, Twitter. Big companies, websites, apps, APIs, and millions of services rely on it. So what Cloudflare do? Makes website faster. It stores website data in servers around the world so pages load quickly. Protects websites from attacks. It blocks hackers, DDoS attacks, and harmful traffic. Keeps the internet stable. Cloudflare handles almost 20% of global website traffic. In short, I want to say that when Cloudflare stops, a big portion of the internet also stops. What happened yesterday, guys? Yesterday, around the world, thousands of websites suddenly stopped loading. People saw errors like website unable, gateway error, unable to connect. I have faced the same issue, so I am here to clear you what is Cloudflare. Even big platforms like Twitter, ChatGPT, Canva, apps were down yesterday. So what exactly happened? Cloudflare had an internal technical failure. A configuration file inside Cloudflare became too large. That file crashed part of their system. Traffic routing failed, and website using Cloudflare stopped working. And Cloudflare confirmed that there was no cyber attack, not a hack, just an internal system failure. The outage lasted for a few hours until Cloudflare engineers fixed the issue. How did it affect the networking system then? This outage affected almost the entire internet because Cloudflare is connected to the millions of websites. Here is how networking was disrupted. Websites became slow, DNS and routing failed, APIs stopped responding, apps crashed, streaming and login system failed, business lost traffic. This shows how important Cloudflare is for the modern internet. When Cloudflare has a problem, the whole internet feels it. So that's what Cloudflare is and why yesterday's issue affected the entire world. Technology is most powerful, but sometimes even the biggest systems can fail. If you found this video helpful, then like it, share it, and subscribe to Just Tech for more tech explanation in simple languages. Okay guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.